and welcome to my 9th video in the Popsicle series where we blend the worlds of pop and classical music through arranging. This video in my series will focus on film soundtracks, particularly the world-famous category of Disney movies. One of the most popular Disney movies of all time, Moana, was released in 2016, and today we'll be going over an arrangement of the song You're Welcome, which was written by Lin-Manuel Miranda and sung by Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, who plays Maui in the film. So the BPM is a standard 120. The original song is in 135, but I wanted to slow it down since the rhythm in this arrangement is confusing. 120 would be kind of a goal tempo, but the student really should practice this extremely slow. It's a good exercise to get them used to counting triplets. And the key signature is in the original F major, which is easy enough to remember since there's just one accidental. The rhythm here is very triplet based, and the student should try to subdivide the beats before playing it, so counting every one of these beats in triplets. The left hand has a continuous rhythm pattern with chords throughout the piece, so the student can focus on the right hand rhythm, and the beginning percussion rhythm line is in the right hand in this little 4-measure intro. The melody is also in the right hand, the singing part. Referring back to my previous videos, the notation is extremely important, especially when you have tricky rhythms. So that's why I notated my right hand triplets to be separated every beat so they can clearly count the 4 beats in every measure, which I do throughout here for the rest of the piece. As for the dynamics, I used it to imitate the song. So the piano in the right hand intro is to imitate the soft, like kind of muted, far away beat of the drums. It gets a little bit louder when the vocal melody comes in, and then there's a big build-up to the main chorus. And for the form, I only wrote the short 4-bar intro, the first verse, the pre-chorus, and the chorus.